Hi everyone! So I received, I'm guessing some Merry mail. Like, look at this cute sticker right here. I'm like, oh my gosh, can I get this off and save it? It is so cute. Then we have Jingle All the Way and Joy and our candy cane. Let It Glow, some snowflakes. Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh, I didn't even see this. I gotta see if I could save these little stickers. How stinking cute. So this comes from Teresa. Thank you so much. So let's jump on in and see what's in here. Oh my gosh, I see little sequins already. Oh my gosh, look at the little snowflakes. Okay, I have to save those. The little reindeer, gotta save that. Oh my gosh, look at the beautiful sequins. Merry Christmas, a little Christmas tree. I am going to figure out how to save all of that. So, let me open my card. Oh my gosh, look at her cute card right here. It's like a little interactive card. How stinking cute is that? I'm gonna definitely try to recreate this when I get home. You guys, I leave in like 12 hours, I think. We're so excited. I'm trying to get all these videos done. Thank you so much. And I hope you are having a speedy recovery. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This like makes my day that I had like a little mail waiting for me before I left. And I'm going to save all of these snowflakes right here so I can use them in a little sequence mix. Like, look, I even have my little bag right here. So maybe I should just start putting them in there, huh? Because I want to do that. So let's see. Oh my gosh, I see like Disney Mickey ears right on top. I can take this with me. I still have time in a packet. Oh, I'll put my crafting stuff in here because I just have it like in a grocery bag right now. So I can see what I can fit in here. Oh my gosh, yes. This is my life. I run on food and magic 1000%. Oh my gosh, I've never even seen this before. I love it, and it's such a big bag. Oh my gosh. This is so fun, and I hear some little jingle jangles in there. Let's see. Oh my god. What? Oh my gosh, a little Santa pig. How adorable is that? Oh my gosh. Okay, so we do a gift exchange on the Disney ship that we joined through Facebook. So I'm going to have like a little pocket hanger outside of our door. I'll do a video of like how I decorate our door. So I'm going to take this and not tell Sunny, and then I'm going to stick it in his pocket for one of his gifts. So you guys can see that later. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I see Snow White 7 dwarfs right here. Oh my gosh. Dopey, grumpy, bashful, happy, sleepy, grumpy. Did I say grumpy? Yeah, grumpy and sneezy. Wait, Miss Doc. Dog here. I said happy twice, so dog here. Oh my gosh. I'm going to clip this on here. So that way it's going to go with me. Oh my gosh, just the bag and the pin, I would have like, oh, and the pig. Of course, the pig for Sunny. I would have just died happy right there. Oh my gosh. And then look, I don't even have these little Mickey candies. Oh, I could use this like on the cover of my photo album when I get home. Oh my gosh, there's another pig. Where did you find all this pig? Oh my gosh, look. Okay, these have to go with me on our trip. Oh my gosh. I don't know where you found all this pig stuff, but I have not seen this before. How cute. I actually don't have this die. Oh my gosh, and I am doing a scrapbook gift exchange. I'm going to cut this out like last minute. I'm going to cut this out and throw this in there because I think it'll be so cute. I want to share what I put together for my little gift exchange. So I am going to put this to the side. So I'm going to go cut this and try to add it in right now. Oh my gosh, what are these? Oh, I love the little like bag with the little snowflakes. Oh, little earrings. I could wear these tomorrow. Oh my gosh, how cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, in the bag, because I'm going to wear those tomorrow. Oh my gosh. This is like perfect timing because I could take so much of this stuff with me. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. There's little stickers back here. Look, I could use this for my scrapbook when I get back. You guys, I'm just so like running on like an adrenaline and like pure happiness today. Oh my gosh, this is cute. I haven't done one like this. I did one like different than this. Okay, I'm gonna have to copy this when I get home because I like how this is. It's like a little flip book. It's different than what I've done in the past. And I like that it has like a sturdy little stand. So cute. Love that. Oh my gosh, there's beads in here, you guys. You guys know how much I love me some beads. Oh. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I've never done one with multiple chains. Oh my gosh, look at this. There are 3 chains on here. I always do like one big chunky charm, like on one chain. Oh, where's this from? I don't have any of these like red and green swirled ones. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm obsessed with this. Oh, this is pretty. This makes me think of like a genie in a bottle. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. I'm going to have to dangle this on my backpack. Oh, I should show you guys my Christmas backpack. It is like all the Disney dogs and it's Christmas theme. So stinking cute. Okay, I'm going to put this in here because I'm going to put that on my bag. Oh, look at this like little tin suitcase. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Ooh, oh, look, a hairy one. Ooh, I like that. I love stuff with texture. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh, wow. It's like a bunch of like little tube beads glued on. And look at this pretty one. Oh, I want coffee now. It makes me think of coffee. We have some blue beads and some wood beads. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff. Oh, look, this matches the one that I got from Joann's the other day. Was this Joann's? Yeah, from Joann's. Oh, mix those together. Then we have some pony beads. Oh my gosh, there's so much more stuff in here. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, that reminds me of like snow. That's really pretty. I could probably glue this to like a scrapbook page even because it'll lay flat. Oh, that'll be nice. I could use that. Let's see. What else do we have? Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love it. Oh, that's stunning. That is so, so pretty. Oh my gosh. Yeah, bead box. Oh, she just put stickers on there. Oh, look, this matches the other one that I already put away. Look, that matches. How stinking cute that the sticker matched the bead she used. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so obsessed with everything. Okay, I could actually pack this with me. Oh, I've never seen one that looks like a little bulb like this. I always, I have the ones that are just like round, but this actually looks like a Christmas light. Oh, that's interesting. Ooh, pretty little butterfly. Oh, look, that has like a flower in there. Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna just throw this, there's Mickey. Look, how cute. I'm just going to throw this in my bag to take with me so I can use some of these. Oh, look, there's like red and green ones already. Oh, that's really nice. Oh my gosh, there's more Mickeys in here. Oh my gosh, how exciting. Oh, drop something. I think it was just sequins that flew out. Let's see, here's another one of those pretty bags. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. A beautiful keychain, but it has like the little like iridescent like oil slick colors. Oh, that's nice. That's really, really pretty. Then we have some beads. You guys know I love me some beads. Love those in black. Then we have, oh, like stamps. Ooh, I could stamp out some stuff in clay. I've been wanting to play with clay more. I have not like mastered it, so I've been wanting to do that again. This will definitely come in handy for that. Oh my gosh, there's a Mickey little notepad. How cute. Oh, I wonder if this is big enough where they can sign their names on it. I think I'm going to take this with me and see if they're able to sign their name on here if it's too small. Okay, I'm going to put this into the bag. So that way when we do our photos, I can have the characters sign that. Oh, vintage Christmas. Oh, love that. Oh my gosh, this box has so many goodies in here. What's this? Martha Stewart. What is this? Craft embellishment. What is it, like foam? I think it's like foam little pop-up things. Got some pretty ribbon. Ooh, Disney. Yes. Oh, this is the birthday one. I love it. I think I'm going to take Sunny to Disneyland this year for his birthday. Last year, because he turned 21, we took him to Vegas. Ooh, more vintage Santas. Ooh, love those. Yes, my life. Lost in a daydream. 1000%. Oh, my vintage little trucks. I love those. When I win the lottery, I'm going to buy me one of these. Anybody have like a list of things they're going to buy when they win the lottery? Oh, that's pretty. I love that in the wood. Coffee, you guys. I've only had one Starbucks today. That's so little for me. I need more coffee. Ooh, we got some fabric. Oh, Disney chipboards. Ooh, I like these. Oh. Oh, this reminds me of like, it makes me think of like Wizard of Oz, you know, with like all the like little poppy flowers before she goes to Oz. Oh, this lady's pretty. Oh, these are gorgeous. Oh, we got like napkins down here. I love this ribbon too. Like there's little stars in there. That's really, really nice. Aw, how sweet is that? That's so cute. Ooh, look at our little napkins. Oh, he's cute. I could glue that onto a page and use it for like a scrapbook page also. Then our little Santa. Oh, these are nice. I could definitely use these with some of my little projects there. Let's see. There's some beads in here and some wire. Oh, you make a little person. How cool is that? Oh, and the instructions are in here. Oh, I love that. And then I can just totally remake more because I have the instructions already. It has some more pony beads. Oh my gosh, there's still more stuff in here. Oh, this is pretty. Is this an ornament? I'm going to hang it on the tree. I'm going to have Sunny hang this up. There you go. Got it out. Oh, that is cute. That's just going on the tree like a little icicle. Oh, look at these. They look like little flowers. Oh, this is so, so pretty. Oh, I love that. That is going up on our Christmas tree. Oh, a beatable wine cork. Oh, I don't have one of those. Thank you. Oh my gosh, there's another one over here. Bottle opener. Oh, these are nice. Yeah, I don't have either one of those. Oh my gosh, there's still more in here. It's like the Mary Poppins box over here. Ooh, princess. I'm a queen. Me and my mom make fun of each other. We fight over who's the queen and who's the princess. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Oh, and it's in black. I wonder if Sunny would want to use this as like a little journal for our trip. Oh, I like that it has the whole calendar right here. Okay, take that back. I'm going to keep this so I can pull it apart. And every trip we go on, when I take my little like planner, I could just take the little pages. And then that way I can use it for multiple trips. Is there more than one monthly calendar? I hope so. Oh my gosh, yes. We could totally use this for journaling for our trip. Oh, I love it. Oh my gosh, you spoiled me so much. Thank you so much. I love it all. I'm so happy I was able to grab it before I left for my trip tomorrow. So thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are so amazing. You have no idea how much your guys' friendships really mean to me. Like, I don't have a lot of people in like real life that I'm close with. So having you guys be my little crafty family means so much to me. You have no idea. I love conversating with you guys. You guys are just so amazing. Thank you guys so much. And we'll see you later. Bye, guys.